Hey guys, this is Tony DeMakis with Alliance Specialties and Laser Sales, and we're here for another Motivational Monday. And today I have my friend Patrick Fleming from Progressive Components.
Thanks,
and,
Tony.
He has one of my absolute favorite quotes to share with us.
And I borrowed this from Wayne Gretzky. Who doesn't love hockey? Who doesn't love Wayne Gretzky, right?
Absolutely.
And that quote is, you miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. And that goes with anything in life, business, personal. Get out there, be yourself, do it. Take chances. Get out there and just go after it. And if you don't gain anything off it, you didn't lose anything, right?
Right. And so many people wait for that perfect opportunity, and they miss out on all the shots, right?
Absolutely.
So they're trying to find that perfect shot, pick that perfect corner so they can beat the goalie instead of just peppering him.
Right. Go top shelf, peanut butter, right?
Yeah, all day long.
That's right. Just wind up and take it.
So guys, keep taking shots, keep taking chances, and you're going to succeed. Thanks for watching.